Hello beautiful people, thank you for tuning into my channel, and to all my new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. And if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. For all you beautiful people out there who also have YouTube channel, you can let me know in the comment section and I can check out your video and like it, and of course subscribe. Today it's just a random video. I'm going to talk to you about a trick that I do that helps me not overshop. We love fashion, we love trends. Every time there is something new on the market, everybody wants to try it. But in the end, we buy and buy and buy, and sometimes we even forget we have the product. It sits in our cabinet and collect dust. So what I do is, when there is something on the market, let's say Kylie Lip Kit, and I have the edge to go get it and try, what I do is I simply go into my cosmetic, open my lipstick section, and look into all my lipstick. Try to look at how many lipstick I have accumulated throughout the months. Look into the colors and, you know, think about if I really need a new lipstick or lip kit. And most of the time I end up realizing it's waste of money. You know, at the end of the day, I have just one lips, and I'm going to show you my lipsticks and lip balm. I have more than 60. This is a huge bag and it's 60% full. If you can see it, I have all kinds of brand in there: Bobbi Brown, Urban Decay, you name it. And yeah, so that's what I do, whether it's clothes or shoes or bags. The new trend is beautiful, but it's always smart to kind of like look into your stash if you really need to go out there and buy it. And when you look into your stuff and you realize you don't necessarily need it, you know, when you don't get it, you are still happy that you didn't get it, because you realize you have all kind of colors sitting in your cabinet. And if you decide to buy it, at the end of the day, you know, you are not doing a wrong investment, because then you can tell yourself, yeah, I'm buying this because I really need it. So that will be all. I don't want this video to be too long. I hope this trick will help one or the other person out there. If you like videos like this, don't forget to thumbs up this video. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a good weekend, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.